Hi everyone, so we have Asin today and she's going to share her beauty secrets and her association with Avon as a whole. So Asin, it's been almost a year now you're associated with Avon. So how do you feel about, overall about your experience, association, the philosophy and beliefs the brand has?
Well, yes, it's been a year since I've been representing Avon in India, and it's been a wonderful association. Even when I signed in, I think what I liked about Avon and what I found very admirable was the philosophy of the brand, which is to empower women. It was not about any superficial beauty, it was about inspiring, encouraging and empowering women and making them confident and therefore glowing and beautiful, and also about the cosmetic beauty as well. So I think that's something that I found very impressive, and I'm glad that I've joined the team, and it's been wonderful working with everybody. So it's been a great 1 year.
So can you share a couple of your favorite products from the brand?
Well, my favorite products, I love the Avon Nail Color and also the new range of the Ultra Color Bold lipstick that we've launched tonight. It's amazing, it's really dramatic, it's rich, it's intense, and I think if I have to pick my favorites amongst the variety and the range that Avon has, I think these two would be my pick.
Okay. And we are loving the color you're sporting on your lips today.
Thank you so much, it's from the new range.
Okay. What are your makeup bag essentials? Like if you are just running out of your home and you have to put in 2 or 3 products there, what would be those 3 products?
I think we should have the basics. Carry a wet wipe, keep your skin clean, hydrated, moisturize it, have a sunscreen lotion to protect your skin, and of course the basics in terms of lip balm, a lip tint, mascara. I guess these are the basics.
Wow, and you always manage to look this beautiful off screen and on screen. Yeah, I'm seeing you in person, so I can say that. So any beauty secret that you would like to share with our viewers and readers?
Thank you for the compliment. Beauty secret, I think it's more to do with internal beauty than just superficial beauty, like I said before. So I guess eating right, taking care of your skin, your health glowing, and making you look beautiful, and of course you enhancing that with cosmetic products. I think that would be the secret or the mantra or the basics, as I would say.
Thank you so much. And can you define your style can you sum up your style maybe in 1 word or 2 words?
I think classic would define my style. Minimalistic, effortless. I think that's my style.
Okay. And when you are not shooting and when you are not doing what you regularly do, how you would like to unwind yourself? Can you share your hobbies with us? Or
my hobbies are the regular normal hobbies: reading, listening to music, watching movies with my friends, hanging out with my loved ones. So yeah, the normal things.
Okay. And who is your inspiration? I mean, a role model. It can be anyone from the industry or from your own family. If you have any inspiration who has encouraged you to be where you are right now.
I think the world around me, you find the good things in everybody and everything, and you get inspired by that. I don't think I can pick any one person or any one incident thing. I think I get to learn a lot of things from just observing the world around me. So I guess that would inspire me.
And we are not going to take much of your time. Can you share with us what is your favorite holidays place, the country where you would like to go and relax and enjoy?
Well, my favorite holiday place would be back home in Kerala. It's known as God's own country, and I believe rightly so, because it's got a lot of natural beauty, a lot of greenery. It's very soothing, calming, and of course it's home for me. And I don't get to spend too much time there these days. So yeah, I'd like to go back home and relax and be with my family.
Wow, that sounds
That's
really
a
good.
holiday for me.
Yeah, we can understand. And thank you so much, Asin, for your time. And I'm sure my viewers would have equally enjoyed.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much.